So I'm going to show you today how to create a login for Gymcatch, which is the new application that Debs is going to be using. So in your browser, just type Gymcatch and up it pops. And you'll be taken to what they call the home page. For the first time that you log in, you're going to need to create yourself an account. It's really easy to do that. If you just press on book and you want to log in, you need to go and register. So you've got a big register button here and you've got a register button there. Click on register. It wants to know your first name and your last name. I've got autofill on here. You may not have. So you just do what you've got. And you have to confirm your email. I'm using an old email address here. I don't use it anymore. And we'll let Safari create me a strong password. I like to be kept in. These are all preferences that you can change once you're there. So you just sign in and there you are. You search straight away for a fitness, well, I search for her surname actually. It's easier to find her like this. Or if I spelt her name right, it would be good. She's going to love me for this bit. And up she pops. So here she is, explaining what she does. And here you can see some of her schedules. But what the most important thing to do is press on follow, because then this means that every time you log into Gymcatch, Debs's classes will pop up. So what we'll do now is I'll log out. And I'll log in again. So there we go. It's all done for me. And there you are. She's popped up. So that's how to create your account on Gymcatch. Really, really easy. We'll produce another video in a second to show you how to book a class.